Welcome to my kitchen where we are baking up a storm. Today we're baking Bowser cupcakes inspired by the Super Mario Bros. Movie. I bought cream cheese frosting and added some food coloring to achieve the colors I wanted for my cupcakes. Divide the frosting in two different bowls. Make sure you use more frosting on the bowl you are coloring green. I'm using 3 drops of food coloring, but this may vary on the food coloring brand you are using. Once you have the desired color, fill up a piping bag with each color. For the cupcakes, I use a cake mix box and follow the instructions, or you can buy already made cupcakes at your local supermarket and have the children just decorate them. Make sure the cupcakes are thoroughly cooled down before adding the frosting or it's gonna melt. I'm leaving in the comments and box description a link with all you need for this recipe. Spread the green frosting all over the cupcakes top and using a round piping, make a line all over the cupcake edge to represent Bowser's shell. Now, with the same yellow frosting, we're gonna make Bowser spikes. The secret is to press the piping tip into the cupcake, then lift outward for a spike look. For this, I used the round piping tip as well, but you can use just the piping bag, just make a small hole on the bottom, and that is gonna work perfectly as a round piping. These Super Mario Bowser cupcakes for birthday parties are a fun and tasty treat for any Super Mario Bros. Fan. Check out some other cool ideas for a Mario Bros. Theme party at MexicanFoodbyLaura.com or find the other videos here at my YouTube channel.